Okay guys, so for this video naman, magmumultiply tayo ng dalawang functions ulit, but this time, pareho silang binomial. Ito. Okay, so yung fg of x is also equal to f of x times g of x. So, sulat ko muna. fg of x, so that is equal to f of x times g of x. Okay? So, kopyahin muna natin yung f of x. So, we have 3x plus 4. So, lagay tayo ng parentheses. And then, yung g of x, kopyahin natin. So, we have 2x minus 3. Okay? So, para ma-simplify ito, gagamit tayo ng FOIL method. So, FOIL method po, yung first term muna. Ito. Okay? So, 3x times 2x. So, ito yung first term. Right? Second, yung next naman, outer. So, positive, negative. So, ibig sabihin, minus to. Okay? So, kopyahin natin yung 3x. And then, 3. O, next. Ito pa yung outer, ha? Inner term. Yan. So, positive, positive. So, mangyayari, plus yan. Plus yung ating operation dyan. Then, copy natin yung 4 times ito. That's 2x. Okay? So, ito po yung inner. So, last term na tayo. Sa last term, ito yung i-multiply natin. Ito, tsaka yan. Okay? So, positive, negative. So, magiging negative or minus. And then, 4 times 3 tayo. 4 times 3. So, ito yung last term. Okay? So, next tayo. Mag-multiply na tayo. First term. 3 times 2, we have 6. Tapos, x times x, we have x squared. So, nag-add tayo ng exponent dyan. Yan. Okay? So, minus, copy. 3 times 3, we have 9. And then, copy natin yung variable. And then, next plus, 4 times 2 is 8. And then, copy natin yung x. And then, last term, we have minus. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay? So, ngayon, combine similar terms na tayo. Copy natin yung first term, yung 6x squared. Magkaiba yung sign, so ima-minus natin yung number. So, 9 minus 8 is 1. Copy natin yung sign na bigger number. Okay, then keep natin yung common variable, which is x, and then minus 12. So, final answer po, kailangan invisible si 1. So, we have 6x squared minus x minus 12. So, ito na yung fg of x. So, this is our final answer. Okay, so try nyo po sagutan to. So, let's say yung f of x natin equals sa 5x minus 3 and g of x is equal to 3x plus 1. So, find fg of x. Okay po. So, sali na kayo sa paraffle ko. If tama po yung answer nyo, may chance kayo manalo ng 100 pesos. Thank you!